Welcome back to the Lost Digit. Today we're looking at the Nintendo Switch Pro controllers, and I ordered two. I got a good deal on them. And the reason I got these is because the regular Joy-Cons in controller mode are just not satisfying. So I wanted something closer to what an Xbox 360 controller is like, and that's why I got these. So it comes with a USB-C cable to charge in first pair, and supposedly they last 40 hours on one charge, which is not bad. So initially the joysticks feel good, the buttons feel pretty good, but I noticed it doesn't feel as good as an Xbox 360 controller does to me. But some people love this controller and say it's the best, so that's kind of a personal preference. The first thing you'll notice when you compare it to the Joy-Cons in controller mode is the analog sticks. And that's the biggest thing for me, is that the analog sticks just did not feel fulfilling because it had a limited range of motion on the Joy-Cons. So when you put them side by side, you can see that the Pro controller has a lot more travel room. So you can really have more accuracy in your movements. There's not much to it. I hope that I enjoy them, and I hope that it makes me play better because I'm not that good at video games. So this is the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. If you like my videos, if you want to see more of things like this, be sure to like and subscribe. And as usual, I'll see you in the next one.